Does the Raspberry Pi need a cooling system like PC?
PC is getting faster and faster, but prices the CPU and SSD generate a lot of heat, which can affect the PC performance, so a powerful cooling system becomes a must for most PCs. PCs have been upgraded from passive cooling without fans to today's cooling systems with fans. Many gaming PCs are already equipped with liquid cooling systems. Does Raspberry Pi need a passive or active cooling system? Let's see how hot Raspberry Pi 3 and 4 are running. Obviously Raspberry Pi 4 is much hotter than Pi 3, so a heatsink or cooling system is recommended for Raspberry Pi 4 unless Pi 4 just runs very light tasks. How to choose a heatsink or cooling system for Raspberry Pi 4. Which one is better? Is heatsink, copper or aluminum? The specific heat capacity of metallic copper is twice as large as that of metallic aluminum. This means that the heat dissipation efficiency of metal copper is twice that of metal aluminum. So it's better to use copper pads as heatsink if you can get them.
You can also get aggressive copper heatsink in market, like the one in picture, which provide much big surface to cool your Pi. This copper heatsink looks like very fancy, the price also higher than small copper pads. But still cheap if buying from eBay or AliExpress. About $15 including shipping, so not big deal. How about the active cooling system for Raspberry Pi? The simplest active cooling for Raspberry Pi is to install a cooling fan. But you can install cooling fan on Raspberry Pi directly. You have to buy a case which can install cooling fan, or buy a bigger aluminum heatsink with cooling fan.